killer impression of Louis from Family Guy. What is that?
Wait, 1 minute. Are you serious? Oh my god.
Okay, we're
Wait
doing
a
random
minute.
shit. So
So I'm gonna give a small talk about ADHD.
Oh my
So-
god. No.
ADHD. Just when you thought things were normal, here we are again. Guys, welcome to the third episode of Local Guys Ruin Everything. And it's the first time all three of us are there.
yes.
Yeah.
We have Hari Mukesh, who's at my left and right, God only knows. And we have Aditya.
Hey.
Our,
Yeah, what's
the
up?
dream team is back, ladies
The
and
dream team
gentlemen.
is
What
back.
a-
Exactly.
Yes.
It's Vayo, oh my god.
And like a prayer song, I'm going to start this thing with one joke which I thought of before. So
Right.
there was this new,
that
there was this
Kadiyadar
new,
Kapur.
exactly, there was this new porn video I saw, which is
Oh my
about a
God.
whole, a teacher banging a student. It was actually a Tamil one. Guess what it was called?
What?
What?
Vati coming.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Exactly. I can already see people
I'm-
logging off now itself. I can see
Well,
people
I would-
switching
I
off.
would have called it-
can
I would
feel
have
it.
called
I can
it-
hear it.
I would have called it Vati Raider.
Okay, but like Vati coming is a much more enticing one. So
Much more
Vati's-
consent related one.
Oh,
yeah, exactly. It's much more. Yeah, exactly.
But yes, oh my god, finally the dream team
Yes.
is back. It's been long overdue.
yeah.
No wonder I can't pass in exams. Yeah.
Excuse me,
Okay.
Mr. Murthy.
Exactly.
What is so special about this
Yeah.
dream team?
Dream
Apni
team
nalla
is the
kepanga-
original team. Yeah, definitely when people are asking what's this dream team, we were there. We were shooting videos when videos was not even a thing in Coimbatore.
Yeah.
We were there doing English shit. I still remember the night when we shot one of the videos and we were dead. I remember going, me and we were shooting at Aditya's place, so it wasn't that
Oh
bad for me.
yeah.
Me and Kaushik, while going back, I was so exhausted from laughing. Still have those reels. I still have
Yeah.
those uncut versions.
I was telling.
They're so precious. Yeah.
I was telling Hari and all that, like, such a good experience. You laughed your ass off. How was the video? Shit. But we had a great time. Let's take away the positives and all that. And I think we might come to the end of the corona jokes because the vaccines kind of apparently. We got the vaccine for
yes.
the coronavirus.
Okay.
Yes, the vaccines are rolling
Yeah,
out.
I've seen like all my doctor friends have been getting it. I've learned something about the vaccine. I feel it won't work unless you pose. Like everyone gets a shot unless they put one flex. Then I feel only
Yeah, I think I have some of my doctor friends. The problem is he's a dentist and he got a vaccine.
Okay.
Now I'm taking offense at a very big level. See, Kaushik, as an MBBS graduate, are you offended by dentistry?
I like how he said my MBBS graduate, not even a real doctor.
No. I need that.
Okay.
As MBS graduate, fucking yes. Are you? They ask me, what kind of doctor are you? Dentist? No, I'm doctor. Not like that. I'm not even joking. This actually happened. Okay, last 641, I went for an open mic, and
Okay.
for a bit of crowd work, I went. So who are the doctors in the house? And a girl in front was like, so I'm actually a dentist. I didn't orthodontist something. Looked
Okay.
at her for 2 seconds. Again, who are the doctors in the house? I swear.
Let's be honest.
So-
Dentists
aren't real
piece
doctors.
of shit.
Yeah, I
Yes,
know.
we can
But
just say that.
they end up making the most money. Like
Not just the most money, they
Yeah.
have weekends and the most money.
ama.
That's all I think about them.
Whoa,
Yeah,
I
man.
never thought about that.
So I'm gonna throw it right here. Hari, if you had choice between doctor or dentist, what would you go for?
Dentist, obviously.
Medicine or dentistry?
Okay, so here's the
Palla pudingiya
I'm definitely going doctor.
Doctor.
I'll tell you why.
Okay.
no chance
MBB
to become both the medicine aim high.
No, I mean, here's the thing, okay? I've heard some crazy, and because I'm friends with a lot of doctors in my round, they tell me so many crazy stories. I'm just interested in living that life, at least for
So
a day.
wait. You are
Yes.
planning to study 6 years of college for 3 years PG and all that for content.
I studied since
But-
8. I studied 5 years for my JEE mains, got into an IT and dropped out. Try me.
Yes. You know how I'm gonna try you? Because I have so much shit left to do. I'm like, what about you, Althea? You tell me, dentistry or doctor?
Okay, I think I can speak out of indirect experience. Why indirect experience is because my friend is actually studying in Savita Dental College. She always goes on and on about like எவ்வளோ வேற அளவு பயங்கரமா படிச்சுக்கிட்டே இருக்கணும். Doctors aren't doing shit. Tell them to come to dentistry. We are like having labs every single time. I mean, like she just goes on and on about shit.
Hurry. Local idiots cause fights between dentists and doctors. Where did this controversy come from?
Oh my god. I don't understand because the most of my dentist friends, they're always making models of teeth. So yeah, what you're doing, I'm putting plaster and making teeth. I'm putting plaster and making. And other doctors, like the real doctors, the MBBS, they are like, Ari, I'm at the emergency. Today I saw this baby die in front of me. It was really sad. And then this side I have dentist. I'm making teeth, bro. I'm doing scalping. I'm like scratching the teeth to remove it. That's what I
Have
do.
you thought you know what we're thinking? In a plane, a heart attack, they're like, are there any doctors here?
Any doctors here?
And the dentist be like, yes, I'm a doctor. This patient has a heart attack.
Oh my
How
god.
are his molars, first of all? Can we just check that?
Is
Yeah,
his
he's
wisdom
dead,
tooth
but-
removed? Is his wisdom tooth removed? That's what is important. Oh my god.
Oh god, yeah.
And you're an anti-dentite.
Any people you know got the vaccine?
Couple of my friends got the vaccine who were there in like Bangalore and Delhi. But here's my thing.
Yeah.
I want the vaccine.
I am an anti-vaxxer.
No, I know if I would have said, dude, I'm not going to take. The thing is, I want the vaccine. Okay, I really
Yeah.
want the vaccine. Okay, I want to travel again. I need the vaccine.
Shut the fuck up. My
But-
kid is all right. 12 years later.
I want the vaccine. But the thing is, I don't think I'm confident enough to take the vaccine that has been distributed right now. Like I'm having second thoughts about it.
No. See, there are two types of people regarding this. One, people want the vaccine. Second, people are waiting 1 week to see the other people got side effects.
Exactly.
Then
Correct.
put the
Yes.
vaccine.
That's such
I'm in that group.
Such a South Indian mentality only that thing is.
Smart. Very smart, he was.
I feel
But
South
apart-
Indian mentality is exactly. You're
All
same
the
case,
North
Althea?
Indians.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're also
no,
same case. Are waiting. Is your friends
Ad-
vomiting on nausea and shit?
No, Aditya. So, what's your take? Are you going to take the vaccine as well?
I don't know, man. I just.
I'm gonna take Jesus instead.
No, I just said hence proved to the South Indian mentality. So obviously, I'm gonna wait for somebody to die or somebody to like.
Then take the vaccine.
Yeah.
Aditya, come. Handshake over here.
Oh wait.
Right now, you know what's gonna happen? A video is gonna come of your guys' heads touch, hands touching my head.
Oh, we
it's gonna
should do
take some
this.
editing.
Oh.
Wait. Oh my god, wait. I don't know how to do this.
Here, please hit me as hard as you can.
Bro, what happened to fourth media? See, fourth wall of democracy, media, free media, and all.
Yeah, that's in prison right now.
Devil.
The Arnab வெளில சுத்திட்டு இருக்கான்.
You know what? Like Arnab Goswami, right? That
Yeah,
fellow
looked. I
goes
mean, like
into
he
jail
leaked the cheat.
once. No, he goes into jail once every union minister, every minister in India, like free speech is gone. Oh my god, free speech. But there are so many journalists who are right now in jail just to covering some stories that is not
Man.
obstruction of free speech.
Leave that. Journalists, okay, they're a little controversial. The stand-up comedians. I mean,
Hey, பாவம்டா that dude. What's his name?
Farooq.
Farooq. ஆமா.
The thing is, the police itself accepted in the court that there is no evidence.
Exactly.
against him.
அதான்.
Yet they are not granting bail.
அதுதான்.
You know how fucked up this system is right now? This is like the Matrix hanging, like working
See,
on
at
Linux
least Agrima Joshua's situation was, you know, like, ஏதோ இதுவே அதுவே லாஜிக் இல்லாத விஷயம் தான். But like compared to this dude, like Agrima had something. அவளே வந்துட்டு she's right now like chilling, not chilling, like she's out of this thing. I don't know whether this is like a religious attack or something. I'm not sure. What's his name right now?
The thing is, there is so much layers to this.
Yeah.
To bring in the aspect of religion is way controversial right now, so I don't want to get into it at all. But
Okay.
definitely, this is the thing. Is this is setting up?
Did this ever happen to a Hindu comedian?
Oh, like a male comic, it has, right? Like it's not every comic in this country is harassed anyway, even they do. So to say, I'm not trying to take the heat of what is happening to Farooq. That is no way to treat someone.
Yeah.
And but it is right. Like even right now, we have to edit a lot of things in this podcast just because we don't have that power, la.
Yeah.
So that is sad. That is sad. That is sad in a way. But there is a lot.
But I really want Modi.
Oh my god.
I want to keep that. Okay. That came out very wrong.
I keep on thinking that one thing. I'm a stand-up comedian and a doctor, so I'm going to get harassed one way or the other. They're going to beat me up for either one of the two things. So it's a terrible job description.
No, I love it. But you know, the problem is for you get harassed. For us as engineers, life does that to us.
Yeah. So there's no use in
See,
full வாழ்க்கையே self deprecation போயிருச்சு.
Exactly. But see, doctors underestimate what engineering life is just because they see. Kaushik, if I tell you to describe what do you think our life is, not like what does an engineering life is supposed to be, and would you have been an engineer if you weren't forced to be a doctor?
First of all.
No, I was like, would you have been an engineer if you weren't a doctor?
You lost me at forced into engineering.
Better engineering than dentistry, that's for sure.
Oh my god, yes.
Mic drop.
Bomb up.
But it's amazing how I've learned one thing, like you know, in seeing how medicine is how the no work and how engineering lack of jobs. Every profession sucks. Even creative stuff now don't get paid jack. Like if you look at everything sucks in its own way, everything's good in its own way. Like you know, like you can tell your friends who are assistant directors, like it's good you're following a passion. Like, fucker, I got paid 5K. I gotta eat to follow the passion.
So
doctors we're overworked. We have so much money just wiping our tears with 2K rupee notes and everything. And again, it's just how you look at the whole thing.
I mean, even for the fact,
we should wrap up the podcast with this. In other words, all professions suck. Thank you, guys.
all professions.
We wish you
so
a good week.
But you know, like even freelancing is one shit ass thing because the client is always at maximum case client is an ass. All right, I'm just going to take this because I have done shows like they're like, Hari, we are giving you 15K. I do the show for the next 3 months, no sound. I'm like, pay me
உனக்கு கூட 15K அப்படிலாம் சொல்லுவாங்க. எனக்கெல்லாம் வந்து போனா சார் பேமெண்ட் எங்கன்னு கேட்டா எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ்ல பேமெண்ட் பண்றேன்ப்பா அப்படின்ட்டுருவாங்க ஒரே வார்த்தையில. அதுக்கெல்லாம் என்னங்கற?
I hate it.
Exactly.
It's very horrible.
When you go to shop or something, sir, the bill's 200. I have some experience. Will I get any Cheetos with that?
That is the most, you know, like I've you know, when you cross that threshold, you enter into the 10K territory. But the 10K territory is also dangerous as fuck, okay? Because that asshole will pay 10K after 3 months.
Fuck. Okay.
On the bank charge kuda kudukka maatan naai payan. It's so bad, dude. Like 10K, dude. And then it is kind of hard every job, but engineers especially
As I feel like some creative fields, they give like exposure, so, you know, like so much exposure. Sometimes too much exposure, they end, you know, casting couch and sleeping with them. That's a bit too much exposure for us. But yeah,
we can't do that. I can't do that. That's the problem. I can't do it.
What can't
The
I
casting couch.
Casting couch. No. Everybody will reject
look
this.
at it.
I mean, I'm ready to try it, but nobody. Nobody's gonna
It's not that I don't want it. It's just that no
yeah,
one would want.
no one would want it. That's the whole point. Just like the time when
So-
Hari
So,
Haran's
so sir,
new
so
things
sir, what
went.
are you paying me for
ஒன்னெல்லாம்
this?
யாரும் பார்க்க மாட்டாங்கடா, நீ என்ன கவலைப்படுற?
So what are you paying me for this? For the wardrobe, my dick. I said, may I refuse?
My dick. Oh, okay.
Ah.
A killer impression of Louis from Family Guy. What is that?
Wait, 1 minute. Are you serious? Oh my god.
Okay, we're doing random shit.
So I'm gonna give a small talk about ADHD.
Oh my
So,
god. No.
Idiot.
This
Yeah. Tell me.
Aditya,
What's up?
Vijay or Ajit Baba?
Do you really want to get into this discussion?
Yes, I want.
I'm about to go technical.
the Modi jokes left and all is like okay, but Vijay and Ajit is like risky, but I'll do it. Kaushik,
Oh my
you have to.
But yes, go ahead, please.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
So I think as of now, right now, I think Vijay wins this round because after seeing Master,
This guy is talking like a sports analyst. You know, when you look in the lifestyle and all that, master collection. Ana tala.
So on the grounds of movies, you would say Vijay beats Ajit, huh?
I mean, yeah, at least from this string of movies, I think that Bigil Mersal, those fuck all movies were actually better than Vivegam, Veeram and shit like that. The V quadrology, it was fuck all. I mean, like, I would rather watch Mersal like twice and die of sexual asphyxiation than rather watching this thing, Vivegam and shit.
Okay.
Yeah, Jami! So...
I believe we are opening up Aditya's past trauma.
Oh,
We have struck a nerve. If we thought we struck a nerve with you about your old dead pet, no. Aditya and his experience with Vivegam was much worse than that. He's in a dark place.
Aditya is like he's kept that Pandora box closed. Like, I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. And I'm like, so Aditya, what do you think? I'll tell you what you think, bro.
நீ கேள.
That is technically our podcast in a single line.
Yeah. Oh my God.
That is technically how podcasts work.
That is it. Our podcast could be just a video call.
Yeah, that's
Done
what
publicly.
we're doing, bro.
Yeah.
See, when it comes to Vijay, okay, like if he's such a versatile actor, I'm saying that he's like evolved a lot. Like he's got a great character arc as Vijay on screen and in off screen.
As himself, he's got a cat rock as Vijay as himself.
Yeah, I'm actually talking about his character on screen and off screen. Off screen lo vandite, you remember that infamous interview with Prabhudeva? Hey, silence அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவான்ல, like he was he was visibly uncomfortable talking about his movies, but right now he has reached such a என்ன சொல்றது superstar kind of vibe that the only way he can actually talk to his audience is through the 1 or 2 hour long audio releases, which are actually சொல்றது Jesus prayer call center disguise. I'm talking about Xavier Brito.
Look at you.
So you're telling me that Vijay's following is a cult.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, like there are the sensible fans, and at the same time there are like non-sensible fuck all fans.
Whatever you are, I'm trying to appeal to you guys. That's what we're doing right now.
Yeah, this is pandering to the audience, Hari. எப்படி பார்த்தால கால் பேக் ஒரே மூளை புண்டை.
I like it.
Slow
I was
down,
not ready,
Abhishek
da.
Raja.
I was not ready, da.
Now,
Yeah, okay, so let me finish. I'm on a flow here. Wait. So
Please.
அதான், so இப்போ right now in if you see those audio releases, like there I can see a very much confident Vijay, like அதாவது comparing 10 years before Vijay and right now, like there's a huge maturity and huge extrovertedness from his side. So that itself is like a great thing for a, you know, சொல்றது ஒரு பெரிய public figure. He talks about his shit and then he like puts an awesome social propaganda. அப்படியே வந்துட்டு இதே வந்துட்டு ஒரு இன்னொரு 5 வருஷம் பண்ணா maybe that might be his like entry into politics for sure. So yeah, that is like as a public figure he's doing great. And and watching Master, it's like, to be honest, it was a huge relief for me after watching that. நான் தான் பண்ணுவேண்டான்னு பண்ணிட்டான், முடிச்சிட்டான் அவன். அதுக்கு மேல எப்படி ரிவைவ் ஆகுவான்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. பட் லைக் Lokesh, like he did what he could with Vijay and like it succeeded, man.
I mean, see, I always had big expectation because Lokesh did the film with
Kaidi
Karthi
and this
Kaidi
Managaram.
was fun.
Oh my god, that was, see, the reason why Kaidi worked is because Karthi compared to Vijay has less of a stardom. So adunala experiment பண்றதுக்கு நிறைய ஸ்பேஸ் இருந்துச்சு.
Stardom get in the way. He didn't let the stardom get in the way. Many actors have that thing.
See,
and all that.
I think Kaidi would be much better if what is that, Mansoor Ali Khan. See, so the story goes as Lokesh Kanagaraj was, yeah, wait, let me wait, I am not even kidding. Lokesh wanted to actually get Lokesh actually wanted to get Mansoor Ali Khan for the role of Kaidi's Karthi oda idu, but unfortunately due to some என்ன சொல்றது கால் ஷீட் பிரச்சனைனால only he went to Karthi. I'm damn
Wait,
sure.
What?
This is the most upskill of like Mansoor Ali Khan.
No man, like see, again, Mansoor Ali Khan is a great actor, man. He's a great character actor.
Yeah, but I mean,
Like I've always seen him as a side character.
Yeah, but like he is
Exactly.
he has great
main
talent,
character.
man.
wow, Mansoor Ali Khan and Kai, that's what I need to
Yeah,
say.
I know, like, but I'm pretty sure he would have killed it, man.
That is
இன்னும் நிறைய
that is the
எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட்
parallel
பண்ணிருக்கலாங்கிறேன். and that comes to my problem with Vijay right now. So அந்த ஆடியோ ரிலீஸ்லயே அவன் சொல்லியிருப்பான், இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு நாள் ஷூட்டிங் வந்தாங்க, அப்புறம் வந்துட்டு லோகேஷ் வந்துட்டு இந்த மாதிரி சும்மா ஏதோ ஒரு ஜிஸ்ட் மாதிரி தான் எழுதியிருந்தாரு, டயலாக் எதுவுமே இல்ல அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு இந்த மாதிரி காமிச்சு, என்னங்க டயலாக் எதுவுமே இல்ல அப்படின்னு சொன்னதுக்கு லோகேஷ் வந்துட்டு இந்த மாதிரி இம்ப்ரவைஸ் பண்ணுங்க சார் அப்படின்னு சொன்னதுக்கு லைக் விஜய் வாஸ் லைக், என்னங்க நீங்க, எனக்கு நான் மன உளைச்சல் ஆயிட்டேன், எனக்கு வந்துட்டு இதெல்லாம் பண்ண பிடிக்கல, என்னங்க நீங்க முதல்ல டயலாக் எழுதுங்க அதுக்கப்புறம் பாத்துக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க.
ஏடா பொசுங்க நடிக்க சொல்லிட்டாரு. Sorry.
Oh, so yeah, this is my problem with him. If he is such a versatile actor, if he's such a dynamic person, like why is a small improv, why is such a small comedic exercise like hindering this demigod like personality in Tamil Nadu? Like, but see, even though I'm criticizing, I'm pretty sure if he was put on a spot, like he would do great, phenomenal improvising acting. Like he has his he has the sense of comedy with him is really great, and the way he acts, the way he portrays himself is really commendable. I don't think that is the case with Ajit, by the way. Yeah.
Why do you think that?
Because like 2000s Ajit was completely different from
You
2010.
hear Hari's voice right now.
No. I was just like, so here's the thing. I feel so. If definitely I have no idea.
Listen
Ajit's-
here, you
I'm
little shit.
100%. I'm 100% Ajit's fan. But I think one of the most underrated actors would be R. Parthiban.
Oh yes. Did you see Otta Serpu number 7? Did you
I
see?
saw that.
Oh my
It
god.
was so effortless.
Aditya,
His
only
acting-
one person on camera, man. That, I mean, like, I'm really surprised.
My friend's review for Otta Serpu, படம் பூரா அவன் மூஞ்சியா பார்த்துட்டே இருக்கோம். சரி இன்ட்டு வரைக்கும் பார்த்தா பரவாயில்ல, 2 நிமிடம் அவன் மூஞ்சியா பார்க்கணுமா?
See, இந்த மாதிரி ஆடியன்ஸ் இருக்கிற வரைக்கும் I don't think Tamil Nadu will evolve as a Tamil, I mean, like film industry. But at least
movie, I stood up at the because I went alone. I stood up. I was like, this is yes.
yeah,
This
this
is
is
what
yes.
Tamil cinema-
This is not even great.
And
This is yes.
another movie
This
which
is
is
what I wanted. Yeah.
Another movie which is underrated, and I feel that is an amazing movie. The concept of which is great, which is Mercury.
Oh, okay. The silent film. Yeah, I didn't watch it. How was
Yeah.
it?
It is such an amazing concept. Definitely,
Yeah,
there
I didn't
is
even
over exaggeration.
even I didn't hear about the movie much.
Oh,
Is it like- Is it like the Silent Place அந்த மாதிரி இருந்துச்சா இல்ல
No, this is no one speaks.
அதுதான் wait, what's that
Just
movie bro?
music.
John Krasinskiயும் Emily Bluntடும் நடிச்சது.
Oh, that
Quiet
one
Place,
was-
Quiet Place, sorry.
Quiet Place.
Is it like the Quiet Place?
Kind of.
Mercury. Okay.
But this
No,
one
I think
has
it's
the
totally
ghost
no.
aspect in it, and I don't want to give any spoilers.
Yeah,
to
sure,
you
sure.
Or any of the people.
In
who
case
watch
anyone in the audience want to watch Mercury.
Mercury is one
Correct.
which like I had zero expectation and I went for it and it was like higher level. Abhi pitching. And who was that? Who was there in that movie?
Prabhudeva.
Prabhudeva.
Prabhudeva. He's the ghost in the movie. So and
Ian Note.
but definitely a must watch film. And I do see this this shift towards this artistic films which is like really good for the Tamil cinema. And we I think one of the most South Indian film in itself is having some really good movies out there. Malayalam movies like
Malayalam movies are like way
For
beyond
me,
our reach,
you know
man.
which movie I feel is very, very underrated like now? I know it got its recognition, but I feel Kudukam more as Kala, the Rajinikanth movie.
Oh yeah.
That,
yeah.
Kala.
I was seeing people like Machak. Like he had the balance is really good. And my friend is like, Che, Kala I didn't like Machak. Veeram nalla irundhuchu.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah. You
See, I think
you can't argue with you can't argue with fans.
but
Like,
I
how
would
the
say
conversation will
Madras
stab
is
you.
I would say Madras is better than Kala. But like Kala, see, in a predominantly single dimensional movie industry like Tamil industry, Kala is a much needed topic to be spoken about because it draws
Yeah.
extremely beautiful parallels between the grueling government and whatever these people are going through. And like I mean, like Pa Ranjit is he is one filmmaker. He's a filmmaker.
All I can
He's a genuine
to be
filmmaker.
honest, Hari, all I can see right now is Aditya, one movie post next film, movie reviews. I'm like, right now, my eyes are turning into like these dollar signs.
Oh my
like
God.
touching. I'm like, acha.
It's free real estate.
He looks like the Prashant guy.
Aditya's blue hoodie.
Yeah.
What's hoodie
Oh,
in Tamil, guys?
blue hoodie.
Does anybody Kulla? Yeah, right. I think hoodie is also Kulla.
Illa, Kulla is this thing. I don't know.
Kulla shirt.
Kulla shirt. Okay.
Kulla shirt.
That's too random. Okay.
What's a shirt
And now
called
this-
in Tamil?
What?
What's a shirt called in Tamil?
Satta.
Kulla satta.
Oh.
I swear to God, it's going to be some launch of a new brand I am not endorsing or something. Hari Prasad
Finally.
Kulla Satta.
Yes.
Exactly.
Kulla shirt. Oh my god.
And
That's a brilliant idea for a fuck all English/Tamil.
Dude, such a indie clothing brand.
I know, right? Kulla satta.
Guys-
people are watching. Don't even think about it. You got
Stonks.
copyright. Don't even think about it.
Yeah.
Exactly. So
As final year graduates of engineering college,
Yeah.
me and Aditya are already on the startup race.
மயிரில் ஒரு மயிரும் வர மாட்டேங்குது இதுல ஸ்டார்ட் அப் வேற பண்ணிட்டு நான் என்ன பண்றது?
Oh my god, but yeah. But yes, let's
Like-
wrap this up. Let's wrap this up.
I
Wait,
am legit thinking how I'm gonna segue from any of all the stuff you're saying, and I'm like, okay, fine. Final year, finally we can finish. It's like
மயிறு வச்சு finish
I'm
பண்ணலாம்.
like, right. Like,
Guys, நான் மோர் குடிக்க
anyway,
போறேன்.
anyway.
Anyways, yeah.
That's all the time. I'm gonna let these guys have. Otherwise, God knows where we're going right now. So yeah. All right, that's all my heart can take. As an average pro, stop doing that. Stop doing that, you two. All right, that's all time letting these guys have. This has been Kaushik, Hari, Aditya, and see you next week for the next episode of Local Guys Ruin Everything. Aditya, 3, 2, 1, yeet!
Yeet.
Fuck all of you guys.
Yeet.